Hi, gosh, I didn't wash my hair. Anyways, so I'm using my parade hat. Girl, I'm still sick, but I feel better. I kind of feel like I have the virus. I don't freaking know what I have. I never went to the doctor. And TikTok, I've been seeing videos of people saying that there's a bunch of viruses going around. So I don't freaking know if it's influenza, flu, the word I can say here, a new strain, RSV, RVS, something like that. Yeah, there's like a lot of new ones, new strains out there, and I didn't went to go check what I have. I just let my body self-heal. I'm still self-healing, but I can't stand not doing anything. I'm going crazy. When I talk, I kind of feel like tickles like here on my throat, like I'm about to cough. So I guess it's not fully gone, but body-wise, I think I'm pretty good. I don't feel like symptoms. Listen, just go to the doctor and check. I still don't know what I have. I shouldn't have done that. I should have checked specifically to check to see what I have, and like, you know, I didn't take no medicine either. So usually when I get sick, it's like a week. This time around, it's been almost 2 weeks, and I still haven't been fully healed yet, and it's worrying me a little. You know what I'm saying? But and I still haven't got checked. I know I'm bad. It's bad. I'm like, why should I go check right now if it's the end stages already, and it's probably not gonna be like as noticeable or visible, whatever I have now. So they're probably gonna be like, you don't have nothing, go home, kind of thing. And I'm like, I'm not that type of person that, you know, certain medicines I take don't work for me. So I'm like, I'm not gonna waste my time. I already know my body is probably not gonna work, or maybe it will, but or it's gonna make me feel weird. I don't freaking know. I just let it self-heal, which is probably not good. Once you reach a certain age, you shouldn't doing that. You shouldn't be doing that. It's dangerous. But like, I'm in that age where I can still do that. I'm pretty young. I'm not elderly, but I'm not like a child, which is so dangerous, right? So, you know, anyways, whatever. So yeah, that's a quick update in case y'all care. Y'all probably don't care. And I just felt like sharing and, you know, ranting a little, because, you know, it's boring. You don't be talking to people, well, like me. So when I'm sick, I just, you know, hide and I'm alone most of the time. So anyways, so this is from Babe Original, I think. I think this is a makeup bag. So yeah, please be safe and careful, and if somebody coughs or, you know, somebody gets sick, like run, literally run, because this cold or whatever is going on right here, and that happened at Thanksgiving, that is still going on this month, is dangerous. And there's like new symptoms, like people getting ear infections, like not vomiting, like diarrhea. I don't freaking know what else I saw. Obviously headaches, cough, sore throat, cold, all of those symptoms. What else? Muscle, there's like a bunch of stuff. I'm like, yeah, and I know it's different for everybody, but still, like, you know, it's dangerous. So now, like, oh my gosh. Anyways, whatever. Ooh. Wait, let me, crap. I don't have scissors. Okay, whatever. Okay, so is this a packing slip? We don't need that. Okay, so it looks like this inside. Something fell. Okay, so yeah, yeah, I think it's the makeup bag that I kind of got for free, but I didn't because I had to pay for shipping. But I was like, I really need a makeup bag, and they were giving this for free, but I had to. Man, I wish it was bigger. but I did need one, so I was like, I normally don't do that where brands tell you to pay for shipping and they send you stuff for free, but they have sent me stuff for free before without paying shipping. But I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it this time, because I do have a makeup around like everywhere, because I don't have makeup bags or makeup drawers or space. So I'm like, I need at least one. I need a big one and a professional one if I want to do makeup on other people, on clients and all that. But listen, I don't have space to be honest, so I guess it's good to have at least this little one. And I like that it's black, it's professional. You know, most makeup artists wear black, black everything, so it kind of matches. So if maybe I can use this professionally, probably not. It's too small, to be honest. Maybe like pack here like brushes, sponges, like face stuff maybe, or eyelashes, but then another case full of foundation, eyeshadow palette, like the bigger stuff. But you know, something, and I'm grateful, even though I had to pay for shipping, whatever, but it's because I did need one. Oh, and I like that there's like a compartment here where you can put like zipper. It's clear, black clear, so it's pretty spacious, not so much. It's pretty good, I mean. And maybe you can even put stuff on top as well, so it is kind of spacious. And right here, I don't know what this is. Oh, maybe to hang it like this, I don't know. But there's like a base zipper right here, and then you can open it like that. And then this one's very small though, this compartment. I don't know what I would put here. Lash glue, scissors, tweezers, like that. Okay, then right here is the same thing. There's a tiny, well, not tiny, there's a zipper, and you put your hand. Yeah, it's kind of, I have small hands, so this is not big at all, but it works. It's something, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's two pockets and then a little small one here, and then the outside there's no pockets. It says Babe Original, the logo, and yeah, made in China. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know if they have other colors. I didn't check in their website how much it costs originally. I might have to check that out. Listen, I've been lazy as well with this sickness. I don't know what I have. I'm not motivated to do anything. I'm like, like I'm so used to not doing anything for like a week and a half straight. But at the same time, I'm motivated to do stuff. Like, oh my gosh, I just want to get over this illness or whatever the frick. But anyway, so I'm gonna do another unboxing after this. So yes, bye, thanks for watching.